Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to buy BNB on MetaMask. Alright, let's begin the video. To begin, open your MetaMask app and go to Settings. Then, click on the Networks button and select Add Network. Choose Binance Smart Chain BSC and approve adding the network. Once added, switch to the BSC network, review the information page, and click Got it to proceed. Next, click on the arrows button and select BUY. Choose your preferred payment method, such as a bank card. Then, select BNB as the currency and enter the US amount you intend to spend. Since this is a hypothetical process, the remaining steps would involve double-checking all the details and clicking Get Quotes, then proceeding to Buy with Transact, clicking Buy BNB and providing your email address, entering the verification code sent by MetaMask to your email, filling in your personal information including your address, social security number, and bank details. After completing these steps, you will have successfully purchased BNB through MetaMask. So that's basically how to buy BNB on MetaMask. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.